How to close your Chase bank account online. What's up everyone, in this tutorial I'll show you guys how you can close your bank account on Chase. First thing you can do is visit their website, then tap on the three dots or the hamburger menu at the top left. You can go ahead and tap on customer service. Now in order to close your account, you can seek more help option. From here, you can find manage account alerts, you have dispute a charge, and many more. So you could choose any topic you want, or if you just want to call them regarding your problem, you could do that as well. So you could directly call up this number and directly talk to a customer representative to ask them and see how you can close your account. You could also, if you still have a question, you can message them at Chase Support on Facebook or Instagram, or schedule a meeting with a banker to discuss your account. You could also have complaints and feedbacks option from here. So these are all of the ways that you can close your account. What you could also do is visit your local Chase branch and talk to a representative there to follow the process to close your accounts. So I hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys, and I'll catch you on the next one.